I saw this ad that came onto my email, and I took a look at it, and it said they needed attorneys, and I read about it, and it sounded like I was going to get more access to clients that I didn't get before, and it turned out to be true. I had more clients coming through Legal Match than I would have gotten alone on my own. I put out some ads out there myself, but they didn't produce as many clients as Legal Match did. Signed up, turned out that yes, I did get a lot of clients from Legal Match. It's the number of cases that come in. Just so many cases coming in. I think I have seen about 1 or 2 cases every day since I started being a member. And that's not normal for attorneys who put ads out there. You don't really get that many clients every day like that. Or just the potential clients, not actual clients, but potential clients, so you have the choices. But that's something I'm very happy about. There's also a backup support, like a support system. If you have questions or things like that, and even how to deal with certain situations and with clients. I do. One thing that I find very useful is you can grow your firm with it because there's so many cases coming in. And once you have those clients come in, you can pick and choose. And if you want to do more, you can. If you don't, you just turn that down, and so on. So yes, I would recommend it to other attorneys. The number of cases that come in more than I would have gotten by myself doing ads elsewhere. Cases just come in all the time, and if I want to expand on it, I did expand a little bit by having more cases coming in and stacking more things up and kind of increasing the number of cases I have and expanding my firm in that respect. Well, you can grow very fast. You can take all the cases that come in, and if you get the right client who pay very well and so on, and many of them do, then you can grow very fast. I'd say about 10 weekly. They have checked on me now and then, and they made themselves available whenever I needed to ask for anything. They've been very supportive and even giving me ideas. Like, for example, one time I said, in the middle of the night, okay, this is not working hours anymore, 2 a.m., and somebody, some clients sent in their requests for Legal Match, and I got notified of that on my phone, and I said, should I respond? It was like 2 a.m., so I didn't quite know what to do, whether I should respond or wait until morning when it's actually my work hours before I should contact them. And the representative from Legal Match told me, you can try responding right away and see what happens. There's nothing wrong with that. That's something like that I got some tips on, and that was very good. The number of referrals that pop up every day, that's what I like about it. Like I said, if I put ads somewhere else, I wouldn't get that many referrals. Okay. Some clients would look at my ads. I've heard this from clients, that's why I'm able to say this. They look at my ad or pick up my card somewhere, and then months or even years later, they call me and they say, oh, yeah, I got your card from this place. That's why I put, I got your number from this place, and that's why I had put my ad at, my advertisement at. And so it didn't come right away. It sounds like Legal Match is very good at helping a client sign up onto the site and then referring them to us. And I was surprised. I saw referrals like 2 or 3 per day. Pick and choose. I mean, you have the right to choose the cases, and you don't have to take everyone that comes through. Legal Match doesn't require you to do it. And respond right away the minute you see that case pop up. Respond right away, otherwise someone else is already taking them. When I first joined, I thought that those cases are assigned only to me and I can choose. And if I don't, that's okay. They'll go somewhere else, or they're still going to be. It's not that way. There are other attorneys who are also looking at those cases. So you really have to act fast and get in the game or something. So the minute you pick up the case, call them up or email them right away.